give yourself a big round of applause. It's the 7th annual Kremlin Demolition Derby, and you are here.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh,
Again, welcome to the 7th annual Demolition Derby. Here, what we've got for you is the theme car competition. We've done this a number of years. Most of you know how it works. All right, this one's a card shark.
Go Ned!
Little grease lightning. That's what it's about right there. And we've got ZZ Top here. Who thought you could have this much fun in Kremlin for $10, right? It's a bargain at 3 times the price. Nice job there. Nice job. It's going to be a tough act to follow, but we've got, well, it looks like Hugh Hefner over there, huh? Yep, yep. That's right, complete with high waters, ladies and gentlemen. You don't see that every day. All right, we're looking for Toe Mater next. Oh boy.
Let's have a party. Let's have a party.
We got Richard Twilliger, Redneck Short Bus. And his Red Solo Cup.
Proceed to party. Proceed to party.
All right, we've got our MASH entry here. This is tucked down on the end there. Top place in the theme car competition is going to go to Grease Lightning.
car 57, Dustin Killinen from Durango. Make him some noise. Number 1 car, that's Kyle Richard, folks. Kyle Richard, hometown favorite right there. He's been living in Kremlin since 1951. Holding a grudge. And the 193 car from Kremlin. He's got some fans. That's Brent Woodard out of Fraser. And here's Jeff Boyer.
Down here with our winner, the Kamikaze. Definitely going for a shot at that Mad Dog, weren't you?
Thanks for having me. Awesome.
You're here from how far away are you?
I came from LaSalle, Colorado.
Awesome. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming.
.7, that's Mike Healy in the Aussie car. That's Nancy, his wife. Here comes Scott Weber. He came all the way from Goodland, Kansas. Cody Steuben enters the circle of death. Here comes Mike Johnston. Here's Ricky Vaught from Casper. Here comes Chuck.
Okay, our first place guy right here in the white t-shirt, Cody Steuben, with a Grease Lightning entry. Taking home the cash, the trophy. That was an amazing heat, Cody. You going for a Mad Dog shot there? What do you got going on?
That's the only thing worth going for.
Awesome. Thanks, man. That was a great show. Awesome job.
I said, are you ready for the fully welded class? That's Mr. Will Jones in the ZZ Top car. Mr. Bud Carpenter. comes Jamin Dulac. Here comes Nancy Healy. Come on, make her some noise, people.
I get up
Here comes Rob Lang.
and nothing
Rob
gets
Lang.
me down.
And Jeff Boyer back at it again.
I've seen the toughest around, and I know, baby, just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches and get to what's real. I can't just see you standing here. I got my back against the wrecking machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen. Can't you see what I mean? Might as well jump, jump. Might as well jump. Go ahead and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Oh, hey, who said that? Baby, how you been? You say you don't know, you won't know until you begin. Can't you see this way? Here I got my back against the wrecking machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen.
What we got here is a Playboy entry here. That's Kyle Reichert from Kremlin out there in the burb. Doug Covington, also from Kremlin, Colorado. That is, believe it or not, none other than Uncle Nasty from KBPI. This is Richard Twilliger in the number 62 entry. This next fella traveled down from Casper, Wyoming. His name is Joe Sky. Up next, we got Kevin Hamaker. He's from Deer Trail, Colorado, with this number 14, the Tomater. Another local, Brent Woodard from Fraser.
But you guys might want to stick around too, because the pretty next show happening in a few minutes. Oh, what an amazing race. Had a great time. Thanks for all the support. Kremlin, you people rock. You coming down, you call me. We'll set you up with some stuff. Yeah.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be